Hello students, today we start a new subject in a 7th sem with introduction about the course content and we discuss about in this subject what we learn. So subject name is a construction management semester 8 and subject code is 2180611. So here in this subject we study about the management regarding construction. So in this construction management, we manage the money, manpower, machinery. All these things are managed what we use in a construction industries. So we study in this subject. So here in a course content, total 70 mark theory examination, 30 marks mid-sem exam, and 30 mark Viva examination, and in a 8th semester Viva examination as a external Viva, and 20 mark as a internal examination. So total marks is out of 150. Total marks is a 150. So let's we start introduction about the course content. So here total 13 chapter is there, total 13 chapter, and one by one we discuss on it. So chapter number 1 is the introduction. So in this introduction chapter we discuss about the what is construction project, different phases of the construction, and the importance of the construction and construction industries, Indian construction industries, and stakeholder of construction management. Now in this chapter most important is phases of construction project. So in a GTO examination, uh, always one question asked in a GTO examination has a 7 marks, and most of the phases of construction project is a most important topic. Now next chapter number 2. In a chapter number 2 is a project organization. So here in a project organization we discuss about the construction company structure of a construction organization. So here different peoples or different persons are required to manage all these things. So in a construction organization different step is there. So from higher authority to lower authority, and second we discuss about the organizing of construction project management, and management levels, and traits of a project manager and coordinator, and ethical conductor, and factor for success of the construction project. So here different factors are also affect to success of the project. So we discuss on a second chapter, and in this chapter uh, we have a one question asked in a GTU examination, and here we discuss about the chapter number 3, construction economic. So in a construction economy we discuss about the economic decision making, evaluation of alternative. So how to done a construction economy. So this evaluation alternative by effective of taxation of comparison of alternative, effect of inflation on cash flow, and evaluation of public project benefit cost ratio method. All these things are discussed on a third chapter, construction economic. Now in this chapter we GTU ask two questions. One is 4 mark, and second is 7 marks. So from the construction economy, generally effect of taxation on comparison or alternative is an important topic, and second important topic is the benefit cost ratio. Now we discuss on chapter number 4, construction planning. So here most important and very effective chapter. So in this chapter we discuss about the types of project plans, work breakdown structure, planning technique, bar chart, CPM and PERT network analysis, precedence network, ladder network, and line of balance method. So here in a construction planning, most important chapter in this subject. So here CPM and PERT, always one example asked from the CPM and PERT network analysis in a 7 marks, and one question asked from the work breakdown structure or a LOB technique or method. Now in a chapter number 5 is a project scheduling and resource leveling. So here in this chapter we discuss on resource allocation, importance of the project scheduling. So before starting of the construction we prepare a schedule for a project work, so we get the exact idea about the completion time of the project and intermediate times of the project, and all the resources are required time to time we discuss on in this chapter. So here when we prepare a schedule, so from the schedule we exactly know about the in which time which type of the resource is required. So resource are different resource are there, like in a resource like machinery. So in sometime like we construct a concrete work, we require concrete work, so here mixture machine is required. So from the scheduling we know the exact date and time at which we require mixture machine for a concreting work. So all these things are we discuss on a project scheduling and resource leveling. And in a project scheduling, network crushing and cost time trade-off is important thing is there. And here from the project scheduling, two question asked, one is 3 marks and one is 4 marks. Next is the sixth chapter. Chapter number 6 is a construction equipment management. So here there are different types of the equipment available in the market, and all the equipment are not purchased by the single company, but in this equipment management we hire the equipments and we purchase the equipment. Both the difference are given in this chapter. So which one is economical for a company? So advanced concept in economical analysis are discussed in a construction equipment management. Next is a construction account management. So in a construction account management, principle of accounting process, construction contract revenue recognition, construction contract stamp report, limitation of accounting, balance sheet, profit and loss account, working capital, ratio analysis, and fund flow statement. All these fund related all these things are discussed in a construction account management. So in a construction account management also discuss about cash inflow and cash outflow. So in a cash inflow and outflow, uh, uh, cash inflow and outflow and profit also discussed in a construction account management. Next is construction material management. So in a construction material management, so we discuss we different type of the material used in a construction industry. So which material required at some of the time, and layout of the material management, stock, and then after material management function, inventory management, all these things are discussed on a construction material management. So in this construction material management different type of the material, their records, stock records, all these things are discussed in chapter number 8. Now chapter number 9 is a construction project cost and cost and valuation management, value management. So in this chapter we discuss project cost management, collection of the cost related information, cost code, cost statement, value management in a construction step, and value engineering application in a typical case project. So here in this chapter, one question asked in a G2 examination, and sometime two question are 3 marks and 4 marks. Now next is a chapter number 10. So chapter number 10 is a construction quality management. In another word, it's also QC, quality control. So in a construction, quality inspection, quality control and quality assurance in a project is compulsory required. So in this chapter we discuss on a quality control. So total quality management, quality assurance, and different techniques to control the quality, and ISO standards and principles of a quality management system, construction quantity and quality assessment system. All these things are discussed on a construction quality management. Now next in a chapter number 11, construction safety management. So during the starting of the construction, safety is compulsory required in a construction safety management. So evaluation of the safety, accident causation, uh, unsafe condition, unsafe act, health and safety act and regulation, cost of accidents, role of safety personnels, accident causes, principle of safety, and safety and health management system. All these things are discussed on a construction safety management. So in a construction safety management, one question asked 3 marks question arc in a construction safety management, and 12th number chapter is a linear programming in a construction management. So formulation of model, graphical and simplex method. So these are the two method, main important, graphical and simplex method is two important method for a linear programming, and formulation of a model is also important thing. So these two important points are there in a chapter number 12, and from the chapter number 12 only one 3 marks question asked in a G2 examination. It's a smallest chapter, and chapter number 13, factor for success of construction project. So which are the different factors which affect to complete or succeed the project, we discuss in this chapter. So project performance measurement, project evaluation criteria, project performance attributes, and effect of other implement on a project performance. So these are the different factors which affect to complete the project are discussed in a factor for success of the construction project. And in this chapter GTU ask a two question. One question is 4 marks, and second question is 7 marks asked in a G2 examination. Now from the next lecture we start a chapter number 1, new chapter number 1, introduction. So in a introduction we discuss a construction project. We discuss in the next lecture about the construction project, what is construction project, phases of the construction project, and importance of the construction industries, and Indian construction industry need of a construction management, stakeholders of construction management. All these things are discussed in a chapter number 1, introduction. Thank you.